In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Clickup efficiently and get the support you need, be it for troubleshooting, general queries, or guidance on utilizing the platform to its fullest. Whether you're new to Clickup or a seasoned user, knowing how to reach out for help is essential to make the most of this comprehensive work app. First things first, let's navigate to the Clickup homepage. You can do this by typing Clickup into your search bar or directly using the URL clickup.com. The Clickup homepage serves as the gateway to all the functionalities and information you might need to start or continue your work smoothly. Once you're on the Clickup website, the next step is to access your account. To do this, look for the login or sign up option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Here you'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to input your password. Carefully type in your password, remembering that it's case sensitive to ensure you get it right on the first try. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Clickup provides an option to reset it, ensuring you're not locked out of your account for too long. Having entered your email and password, the next step is to click on the Login button. This should take you directly to the main dashboard of your Clickup workspace, a centralized hub where you can access all your tasks, projects, and workspace settings. Once logged in, head over to your home or the main dashboard area. Here, you'll find all your ongoing tasks, activities, and notifications. Essentially everything you need to keep your work flowing smoothly. Now, to contact support, locate your profile picture or initial, usually found in the bottom left corner of the page or at the top, depending on any customizations or updates to the layout. Clicking on this will bring up a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. In this menu, find and select the Help option. This section is designed to provide support for Clickup users, containing FAQs, guides, and other useful resources that can help you resolve common issues on your own. But for more personalized assistance, you'll want to proceed to the next step. Within the Help section, look for a button or link labeled Contact Us. This option is specifically for getting in touch with the Clickup support team directly. Clicking on this will take you to a new page or pop-up window where you can initiate a conversation with Clickup support. Finally, you'll be given an option to chat with support. This live chat feature connects you with a Clickup representative who can assist with your inquiries in real time. It's a convenient way to get answers to your questions, report issues, or receive guidance on using Clickup effectively. Throughout this process, it's important to have any relevant information handy, such as specific questions, screenshots of issues, or details of what you're trying to accomplish. This will help the support team understand your situation better and provide more accurate assistance. Remember, the goal of reaching out to Clickup support team is to resolve your issue as quickly and efficiently as possible. Being clear and detailed in your queries can significantly expedite this process. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to contact Clickup support for any assistance you may need. Whether you're facing a technical challenge, looking for advice on project management best practices, or have questions about account settings, Clickup's support team is there to help you every step of the way. Keep this guide in mind, and you'll find navigating Clickup and resolving any issues you encounter much smoother.